Welcome back to the Crypto Hangout, where we talk all things crypto 7 days a week. Before you watch the video, take a second to hit the like and subscribe button. Help us get to 100 subscribers by December. Thanks for clicking and enjoy. Welcome back, everybody. It's Crypto Crane. Today is September the 14th, 2021, and I have some interesting news for you. Well, actually, we're going to do Coin Hunters, and I'm going to be presenting to you guys a new coin, one that you must have, has good projects, uh, good partnerships, and I am going to bring that to you guys. And so, but we'll go ahead and get started in that. The name of the project is called Persistence. It's let me get you guys over here. It's called Persistence, XRP for short. Um, it's on an IBC, which is inter blockchain compatible. It's on Cosmos Atom blockchain, which kind of explains the price for Atom being kind of high here recently. Um, but this is a coin that I am getting. I have purchased some. I am purchasing more because of the partnerships and what I know. I feel like this coin is a coin that will make you a millionaire if you have quite a bit of it. Um, the price of it is $11.21 right now. Okay. All right. It has a market supply of 403 million. Total supply that's circulating right now is 114 million. Actually, total supply is 114. What is that? Uh, Total supply. Let me see here. Yeah, 114 have already been created. Max supply is 403 million, and the circulating supply is 40 million. All right. So you can get this on KuCoin, okay? KuCoin with USDT, or you can create the wallet. Go to persistence.one, create your wallet, and you can be able to send Xprt on the IBC platform. Select the chain through osmosis or whatnot. Okay. Um, so we'll get started onto what persistence is. All right. So persistence is a protocol enabling exposure to multi-asset classes. Okay. And you can also buy XRPT here. So this is what they're building. They're building their Comdex, which is a synthetics trading platform. They have staking as a service. They have liquid staking, and they also have interchain NFT marketplace. All right. So what is their focus? Their focus is on decentralized finance and building platforms to bridge the DeFi and traditional finance. So this could be big, as you can tell, bridging the gap between DeFi and the traditional financial world. Okay, so it says enabling users to interact with both traditional and digital assets in an open and global context. Non-fungible tokens, which they allow the creation and exchange of non-fungible assets across chains. So meaning that you could, you know, buy something on Ethereum and be able to exchange it through XPRT to another chain. All right. They have proof of stake, which is creating products to generate opportunities and address challenges around the novel proof of stake consensus mechanism with a multi-chain environment. So who's backing them, right? So they have Terra, Tendermint, Interchain, Alameda Research, Arrington, which is affiliated with XRP. Okay, they have Loon, Spark, and Ledger Prime. So XRP, if they're affiliated with XRP and XRP is backing them, venture funds and things like that, XRP blows. Best believe they're going to blow too. So let's look at some of the validators. All right, some of the companies that are running the validator nodes. They have Decoa Capital, Kia Capital, Cosmos Station, Stakefish, Band Protocol, okay, Figment, SG1, Huobi, which is the big exchange, Stake with Us, Everstake, don't know what that is, DSRV, Hashquark, Calpatech, Chorus, B Harvest, Sika, Certus 1, Citadel 1. All right. So let's go to some of their, like I said, the products. So decentralized, the enterprise, the Comdex, right? The decentralized exchange synthetic platform. So a decentralized commodities trading solution that facilitates the end-to-end trade cycle, including trade discovery, settlement, and financing. Right? Okay. So let's see what this goes says when we click on that on the Comdex. All right. So powering trade, speed, transparency, and trust in commodities trade and trading and trade finance. So let's see here. Stakeholders in this ecosystem traders. Comdex is a platform that is aimed at providing traders with seamlessness by digitizing traditional trade practices. Built on bleeding edge technology, traders are offered complete transparency and security for data of their high value trades. Comdex provides traders with a solution enabling some of the fastest commodity trade settlements globally. The platform acts as one stop shop for all the needs of commodity trading houses. So, a one stop shop for all the needs of commodity trading houses. The data generated during trades, along with the supporting documentation, is securely stored on the blockchain. Traders can allow for trade related data to be made available to financiers on the platform. Trading organizations can onboard multiple verified traders from the organizations into Comdex. Their organization admin account has complete visibility and control of the trading activities. So, what this is for, this is more so for institutions. So let's see here. The Comdex platform provides financiers access to a large global portfolio of principally protected trade financial assets. The platform performs robust KYC on all trading parties and ensures complete transparency in trade, giving financiers a perfect platform for verification and due diligence. Financiers on the platform will be able to participate in trade processes right from the inception through the various phases of negotiation and contract execution. Hmm. Right? So okay, so that's what that is. Let's read a little bit about them. So it's going to revolutionize the 17 trillion commodity trading industry by tying banking structures with advanced technology. With a platform to connect trade financiers, trade settlement, and trade workflows management, Comdex is already in the pilot phase with trades worth millions of dollars being processed. Okay. So it's going to provide trust, speed, and scalability um, when these big institutions or banks are making trades. So this is another banker's coin, pretty much. Then okay. So this is what their Comdex is going to do. Their exchange, right? Persistence coin. So let's look and see what their P stake is, right? So P stake takes us to take us to the Twitter. Yeah, it took us to the Twitter. P stake finance. Go ahead and give them a follow. Let's go ahead and check out their website. So P stake unlocking liquidity for staked assets. P stake beta is live. Stake your atom now, so you can stake Cosmos on this. Okay, that's cool. Ecosystems and the market caps: Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana. Mm. Stake your assets now. Persistence is coming soon, and then Cosmos, you can already stake Cosmos. Let's look at some of these features. P stake wraps your native tokens into one-on-one pegged ERC P tokens, which allows you to use your POS assets, proof of stake assets in the Ethereum ecosystem. Hmm. So you can stake your persistence and still and use it in the Ethereum ecosystem, even though persistence has its own mainnet. Hmm. Okay. You can claim staking rewards. You can claim staking rewards at any point in time. Staking rewards are claimed in the form of P tokens, which can then be staked to compound staking rewards or be used to redeem an equivalent amount of the native proof of stake tokens. They have liquidity instant unbinding. You can skip long unbinding periods by swapping your STK tokens for other assets through liquidity pools on DEXs. Generate additional yield. STK tokens can be used across various DeFi protocols in the Ethereum ecosystem to generate additional yield. So you can be able to take the STK tokens that you generate from staking on and providing liquidity, and you can use them across any DeFi uh, platform that's on Ethereum ecosystem. Interesting. This can be the form of trading fees earned by supplying liquidity to a DEX or more complex use cases such as borrowing and lending. Huh. And have insurance fund. In the near future, assets delegated to P-State safe listed validators will be safeguarded against slashing risk by an insurance pool, which covers a portion or all of slashed amount based on the severity of the slashing event. All right, so this is P-State. All right, so and this is one of the things that is coming to persistence, and I guess that's P-Stake stands for persistent stake. Okay. And so let's see what Audit One. So Audit One is a staking as a service solution for proof of stake networks for institutional asset managers looking to generate fixed income returns from staking as an asset class. Audit One provides white labeling solutions for hardware and software. So this is being set up for Wall Street. Um, Asset managers, hedge fund managers, etc. So Wall Street will be using this token, and this token is only they will be using this network, and it's only $11.21. We'll be getting some of this, a lots of it, lots of it. So let's see what Audit One is. So Audit One, validators of today, auditors of tomorrow. Decentralized infrastructure, state of the art security, 24/7 online. Networks that they working with, oh, Cosmos, Scale, Terra, Near, Celo, Polygon, Kava, IrisNet, Marlin, Akash, Elron. So Elron, Kava, Polygon, Celo, all these right here. The first four, the next three, and those right there, those are big time cryptos. Elron just took off. Kava took off. Polygon had took off. Celo had took off for a little minute. Cosmos had went up. Near took off. Up and coming Ethereum, Polkadot, Tezos took off. Solana took off. So this is something that this is definitely um, definitely persistence. Yeah. So what's Asset Mano is an interchain NFT framework which enables creation of customized marketplace. Asset Mantle will also hold a native cross-chain marketplace with bridges to Ethereum and the IBC, which stands for Inter Blockchain Compatible Enabled Chains. All right. So we're gonna read some more on the IBC. So let's see here. How will the IBC actually be used? So I'm going to show you guys and read to you guys exactly how the IBC will be used and how they're using it through Persistence and Cosmos and Atom, and why it would behoove you to probably stack up as much Cosmos Atom as you can on Coinbase and getting some of this XPRT and building up your bag of that. All right. So, how will IBC be used at Persistence Hub level? So, interchain transaction proofs. Persistence provides enterprise with a spectrum of governance options based on the enterprise's specific requirements. The governance structure of an enterprise zone may range from a fully third party decentralized structure to a fully permissioned centrally governed structure. Regardless of a zone's governance structure, the zone can take advantage of IBC in order to post transactional proofs of the persistence on the persistence hub, thereby establishing a new chain of provenance. Transaction proofs do not expose any of the data in the transaction. However, it can be used retrospectively to verify the authenticity of the proposed activity within a chain. All right, so this is the diagram of how it works. You have Enterprise A, they have their private transaction, permission validators, the permission zone, then you have transaction proof, then it goes to the persistence hub of, to be validated by decentralized validators, which third party, etc. So same thing with Enterprise B, who goes through the non-permission validators. They'll have to go through the semi-permission zone and transactional proof stored on the hub. So how will the interchange, the NFT work? The NFT creation and metadata storage is handled at the zone level, while the ownership and wallet of the asset is maintained at the hub level. A wallet is a zone agnostic and can hold NFTs and refundable tokens from any zone. So before we go read any more, got to go see what a refundable token is, which is pretty much um, right here. It says essentially a non-fungible asset would become fungible again. The minting and unminting of these fungible tokens would be bonded to a predefined price curve and hopefully follow the convention suggested in the ERC 621. Ultimately, it would be possible to prove partial ownership of an NFT the same way that it's possible to prove token ownership through the standard ERC20 interface. If I were a wallet, I could check the digital asset registry of an NFT to see who owned it. I could then check the owner address to see if it's in fact an RFT contract. If so, I could use the balance of function to check whether some address owns a quantity of that RFT token or verify partial ownership of the NFT. So pretty much, when you see these NFT, these new tokens coming out to where they're saying you can break down, pretty much fractionalize NFTs. When you fractionalize an NFT, it turns to what's called a refungible token. All right, so that's pretty much what they're saying that is. Sorry about that. All right, sorry about that, y'all. Phone rang on me, but yeah. So um, depending on what was we at? Depending on the scenario, some signal could be gleaned by the price per token representing the asset. An RFT with a very high price must represent some desired quality in order to have so many users willing to buy it. These users may be rational actors who expect to extract a profit on further growth of a token, or they may be altruistic supporters of the topic, regardless of the economic outcome. So that's pretty much what a fungible, refundable token is. So back to the IBC and how it works. All right. Uh, so the ownership transfer transaction at the zone level is communicated to the hub through IBC. Right. At the hub level, owners of an NFT or RFT may initiate negotiation and escrowed exchange for their tokens against any other token present in any other zone they see fit. Some zones in the future may require KYC of the wallet holder to redeem the value of the NFT/RFTs. Right. So a chain-to-chain NFT exchange through IBC without the hub would require a common interface and recognition for NFT/RFT value across chain. So that's pretty much what the IBC is, right? Okay. So get back to this. So let's look at let's go to the technology. Right, as you can see, the Comdex mantle, the P stake, P land coming, and then they have the SDK and Tendermint, validators. So I wanted to show you. We already went through the validators down here, and etc. So see here what else we can see. And the actual XPRT token is actually the governance token, all right, for the persistence chain. Okay, so this is the wallet. It has its own block explorer where you can see transactions and etc. And this is the block explorer here. And as you can see blocks. You can see each blocks um, on the nodes, transactions, etc. See each validators and the validator commission rate, their voting power, and how many people have um, staked in their nodes, whatnot. So, a couple proposals that they have coming up. They actually had submitted yesterday. They started voting on January 1st on this. So, so this is the token they have over here. Bonded tokens, bonded amount, annual percent yield, inflation. The average block time is 5.71 seconds, and etc. Go back to the dashboard. So this is Persistence, XPRT. I highly recommend that you get this token before it takes off while it's only $11.21. Okay. My prediction, since the financial institutions, it is a trading platform for financial institutions and hedge fund managers and financial asset managers. I can see this token going up to a couple of grand, um, two, three, 4 grand, maybe. Uh, not saying that this cycle run, but who knows? But I could eventually, in the future, see this coin being a couple of grand. Okay. All right. So this is on CoinGecko. You can go there and click on the site, find anything you want. On the Medium, let me see here. I meant to pull up some things on the Medium. They do have a Medium presence, and this was the other thing that I wanted to let you guys know too. I'm glad that I almost forgot. So they're if you hold Kava, you'll be able to participate in the stake in persistent stake drop. Okay, so you can actually earn XPRT by staking your Kava as well. So you should go to the Medium, or actually go to the CoinGecko and click on Medium.com, and then find it'll take you there, and just follow up on it. All right, and Medium normally has a lot of things on here. They put a lot of information in there about the community and a lot of updates, etc. So that's the Coin Hunters video for today. So if you like the content that I provided for you, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video, comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about this coin XPRT Persistence. Will you be buying it? Um, are you going to stay away from it? You going to pass on it? Comment below. Let me know. Also, follow me on Twitter. There's a Twitter handle. Uh, say right there. Other way, whatever, which way. So follow me there, and I'm on there a lot of times, posting things there before I actually post them here, or actually comment and talk about them here on YouTube. All right, so thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace out.